Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. I hope you guys are doing well as usual. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a DIY cap wig with coily hair and a bang. Guys, if you're on a budget or you don't have time to slay your edges or do your baby hair, or you don't have too much money to afford like Brazilian hair because you need to change your style every day, I've got your back, sis. Period. Just watch this video, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and please leave me a comment down below of what you want to see or any advice or suggestion. I'll be so glad to see that. And again, don't forget to share these videos with your friends and families, and let's get straight into the video. I'll be using this glance braid, and it's from the brand model. It's called the Deep Twist Bulk in 22 inches, and this color is T27. You can get this from your local beauty supply store, or you can get it from Amazon. I'm going to be using crochet hook, then my dome head, and I'm using this crochet cap wig. I really like this one because the front of this is got like this smaller netted holes compared to the back. So what we're actually going to be doing today, I'll be bringing some bangs just down to the front, then the rest of the hair is going to go backward. So I will leave you guys to watch, just follow step by step on how I'm doing it, and if there is any need to explain, then I'll come back to you guys. So this is how the hair looks, just straight from the pack. I'm going to split it into two, then I'll start crocheting it to the wig cap. So this is one pack, and I'll split it into two. So this is it, and we're just going to start crocheting it.
It's Tito's baby.
Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. One life, one life. I'ma live the good life. I'ma pray for more life. I sip and I see, sang your body. Make fine girls you body. Girl no mess when I see Bagadi. Why them call me papi? Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Ready or not, here I come. Looking down, gonna find you and take you home. Ready or not, here I come. You're good now. Gonna find you and take you home. One life, a good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. One life, that that good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Oh, boo boo da da.
It's Tito's baby.
Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. One life, one life, one life. I'ma live a good life. I'ma pray for more life. I see Hennessy, sang your body. Make fine girls you body. Girl no mess when I see Bacardi. Why them call me papi? Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. You ready or not? Here I come, looking down. I'm gonna find you and thank you. Oh, man, ready or not? Here I come, you're good now. I'm gonna find you and thank you. Oh, man, yeah. One life, a good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. One life, that good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. One life, that good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Oh, boo boo da da.
It's Tito's baby.
Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. One life, one life, one life. I'ma live a good life. I'ma pray for more life. I see Hennessy, sang your body. Make fine girls you body. Girl no mess when I see Bacardi. Why them call me papi? Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. You ready or not? Here I come, looking down. I'm gonna find you and thank you. Oh, man, ready or not? Here I come, you're good now. I'm gonna find you and thank you. Oh, man, yeah. One life, a good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man better. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man butter. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man butter. One life, that good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. One life, that good life. I'ma pray for more life. Baba, give me more life. All I pray for more life. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man butter. Oh, boo boo da da.
It's Tito's baby.
So guys, this is the finished look of the wig. I'm just going to trim this wig to the shape of my face, and I'll come back to show you guys the final look.
Oh, boo boo da da.
It's Tito's baby.
Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man butter. Plenty girls on me shabba. No champagne, we drink lager. Fresh black boy, my skin darker. No man test, no man butter. One life, one life, one life. I'ma live a good life. I'ma pray for more life.
Yeah. Thanks guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like the way the hair turns out. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on your post notification to get notified of all my new videos. And guys, give me a like, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families, and stay blessed until I see you in my next one. Bye.